Hi friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare a Gujarati famous dish handwo, but in an instant method. Originally they prepare by soaking lentils and grinding them, but this is an instant way. This dish is easy to prepare and is loaded with lot of vegetables, making it tasty and healthy. Let's check for the process. The ingredients required are 1 cup of wheat flour, half a cup besan or gram flour, half a cup suji, upma rava, 3 spoons of oil, curd quarter cup. The veggies required are bottle gourd grated, spinach chopped, finely chopped, grated cabbage, very finely chopped carrot, coriander chopped. You can take any other veggies if you like capsicum or beans. You can add them, but these are the veggies I am considering it for today. The masalas required are green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, turmeric powder, coriander powder, hing, that is soda, baking soda, quarter teaspoon. Let's start mixing the ingredients. We will take wheat flour, gram flour, suji, then we'll add the veggies, bottle gourd, spinach, carrot very finely chopped. The quantity depends on how much you want. I am making it very loaded with veggies, so I'll add cabbage, coriander. Now we'll start adding the masalas: green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, coriander powder, hing, salt to taste, add curd, oil, little quarter spoon of baking soda. So let's mix this properly. Now we have mixed it completely. See, it has to be of this consistency. I did not add any water because bottle gourd has got enough of water to make this to get this consistency. So this is enough. Now we have to grease a bowl, whichever we want to steam it in. We have to grease it nicely. Now we'll add this into this. Because my vessel is small, so I'll be adding only half quantity into this. Next batch I'll be doing it once more. So you have to just fill in till half and pat it properly. Now I'll just top it up with some sesame seeds and little Kashmiri chili powder for the look. My vessel started boiling. I have kept a stand so that I'll keep the bowl elevated a little bit. If you have any round base stand, you can use it. I have this ring, so I'm using it. Now we'll place this vessel on this. Now we'll close the lid. Let it steam for around 10 to 12 minutes. Now it is 12 minutes. Let's check. So I'll prick in. I think it will take another 2 minutes more. It's 15 minutes now. I'll just check once. I think it will be done. Yeah, this is done. Now this has to cool down completely, so we'll just remove it and keep it for cooling. Once it gets cooled down completely, we'll demold it. So now this is demolded, it is cooled completely. Now we have to cut them into pieces, the desired shape we want. Now we have cut them, so next we'll see the next process. Now let's heat a pan. Add a little oil into this. And just put a few mustard seeds into this. Now we'll place the top side on this. Now we'll fry them on both the sides. Now I have flipped it because it is roasted on the other side. So just check. It has to come to this color. Now our healthy and tasty handwo is ready. It just looks like savory cake, right? You can enjoy this with green chutney, tomato ketchup or curd mint chutney. For my green chutney recipe, you can refer to my previous video. I have made this in Bombay masala toast sandwich. You can just prepare that, or you can mix this green chutney in the curd and make curd mint chutney. In any way, you are going to just enjoy this, and it is really healthy and very tasty. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and soon I'll be getting back with one more interesting dish.